Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the issue if the Triangle Mastercard login is not working. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ctfs.com and press enter. This is the official website for My Triangle Mastercard, where you can simply click on the sign in button at the top right corner to access the login section. Now, in case you cannot access the login portal, or even if you use your username and password to sign in and you are using your correct username and password but you cannot log into your account, then this is probably an error on the server side. So in order to solve this issue, scroll all the way down and you will find the Contact Us button. Go ahead and click on it, and now within the customer support page you can find various different options that you can navigate through. If you don't find your option right away, you can also search for a Triangle Mastercard support email and you will be able to find the Contact Us button. Within this Contact Us section, you can simply type in your first and your last name, followed by your email address, and then within your message subject, go ahead and select Privacy and Security. Within the additional information section, you can simply type in that you cannot log into your My Triangle account. Finally, just click on Send Message, and now your message will be sent from the email address that you just mentioned. After your message has been sent, you will need to wait for a few days until you receive a response from Triangle. Within your response, you will find the instructions that you will need to follow in order to continue with logging into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix the My Triangle Mastercard login not working. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.